Looking for a USB cable that combines convenience and durability? The 2-meter down-angle micro USB 2.0 cable is designed to keep your devices connected with ease, whether it's your smartphone, digital camera, or portable hard drive. Its unique down-angled micro USB connector helps reduce strain on your device's port, making it perfect for tight spaces or tricky setups. This cable supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, so you can move movies, videos, and other media files quickly and reliably. At 6 feet long, it offers plenty of reach without excess slack, giving you the freedom to position your devices exactly where you need them. The molded black PVC casing adds extra protection, ensuring the cable lasts through daily use without fraying or damage. One user shared how this cable worked flawlessly to power their dartboard inside a shelf. The down-angled connector fit perfectly through a small hole, allowing the cable to run discreetly behind the shelf without bending or stress. It's a great example of how this cable adapts to real-life needs, keeping your setup neat and functional. Whether you're syncing data between your tablet and PC or charging your portable devices, this micro USB cable handles it all. Its male-to-male design means you don't need any adapters, simplifying your connections. Compatible with both PC and Mac, it's a versatile solution for everyday tech tasks. If you value a cable that's both practical and durable, this 2 meters down-angle micro USB cable is worth a look. It solves common issues like awkward port access and cable wear, giving you a smoother, more reliable connection experience. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your device connections without fuss.